Hi students, welcome back to our home online video classes. And this is our fourth section of lesson 4, diversity of animals. And before going to start our discussion of this section, just we can recall all the important points. We all know that animals are divided into different types, means based on their habitat, food habits and reproduction. Based on the food habit, the first one is herbivorous. The animals which eat only plants as their food is called herbivorous. And the examples are cow, donkey, elephant, giraffe, like many other animals. And the next one is called carnivorous. The animals which eat only other animal as their food is called carnivorous animal. And the best examples are leopard, lion, tiger and blue whale. And the omnivorous, the animals which eat both the plant and animals as their food is called omnivorous. And the best examples are pig, crow, cat and dog. And the next classification is based on their habitat. The first one is terrestrial land animal. Xeric is desert animal. Arboreal means those who live on the tree, and amphibians and aquatic living on the water. And the last one is polar bear, they are living only in the ice area. So in this lesson we are going to talk about, to understand that viviparous animals have hairs in their body and horns, spines and whiskers are modified hairs. And the next one, to understand that the oviparous animals have scales, feathers, exoskeleton, etc. as protection for their body. Lion asked the tiger to find out the difference between these two groups, which would be easy for them to find out the same features in them. So they start to write the difference. Let us study what are they. We all know that the oviparous animals are lay egg, and the next differentiate feature is no pinna for ear, means the external ear is not present in oviparous. The third point, feathers, scales, like something cover their body, is called exoskeleton. And the viviparous animal give birth to the young one. And the pinna, which is called external ear, is present. Hairs are covering the body, not like oviparous. Oviparous have feathers or scales, and here in the cat or whatever it is, the mammals, they are having hairs. The body is fully covered with hairs. Horns of some animals like a cow, deer, buffalo, porcupine and rhinoceros, these all are modification of hair. The spines of porcupines and the whiskers of dogs and cats are also coming under modification of hair. Whereas the horns of elephants, sea walrus and wild pig, these all are modification of their teeth. So it's clearly know that viviparous animal's body is completely covered with hair. So what is the use of hair? Let's see. The use of hair or function of hair: protection from sunlight, regulation of body temperature, which act as an insulator from the cold. Whiskers of a dog, cat, or act as a sense organs. Let's talk about some special features of oviparous, means egg-laying animals like hen, jack, swan, peacock, like that. Oviparous body is not as like as viviparous. Its body is covered with some arrangements of scales, feathers, and some hard materials, which help them to protect themselves in one way or another. Let us see what's that. In fish, it protects the skin from attack by predators, parasites and other injuries. The most common reptiles like crocodile, lizards, snakes, tortoise and turtles live not only on land but in water. The most noticeable feature of reptiles are the scales that cover their body. The scales help protect reptiles from the loss of body moisture, which help them stay healthy. Some animals like insects and crab, they don't have any scales and feathers, but it have some hard materials act as exoskeleton. Exoskeleton means it's present outside of the body that support and protect an animal body. A bird's feather plays an important role in regulating their body temperature from water and cold, as much hair does for mammals. It helps in controlling flight. Also, this helps them stay hidden from predators. The water birds and penguins, especially in penguins, the dark colored feathers of a penguin's back surface absorb heat from the sun. So it helping them to warm up too. And in birds, means water birds also, it helps them to keep their body temperature heat. In this video, we have learned that viviparous animals have pinna and hairs on the body. Porcupines' spines are modified hairs. Horns of cows and deers, whiskers of dogs and cats are modified hairs, which is a protection to them. Oviparous animals like fishes and snakes have scales. Crabs, insects, crocodiles, and tortoises have exoskeleton to protect the body. Birds have feathers to protect their body from heat and cold. Thanks for watching, and please attend the mock test for your self-assessment, which is given in a Google form.